Now let's practice the schwa R sound, the sound with some casual sentences. In this group, we'll notice the H dropped in the word has. We'll also notice that the word R can just become Let's give this a try. Repeat. Our manager has created several consumer profiles. She divides juniors into 2 categories. Some are so superior with computers that they could be hackers. Some have minor computer experience and are training to become workers in different fields. She believes that juniors are particularly drawn to empowerment products. She also divides seniors into 2 categories. Some prefer very standard products with familiar tools. Others want to pay top dollar for the latest products. Okay, great work.